but also the passion and dedication that define this institution. From graceful movements to electrifying beats, this performance promises excitement. So sit back, feel the energy, and witness the magic unfold before your eyes.